Welcome to Studio B. I'm Roxanne, your lifestyle expert. Did you know our sense of taste is actually developed before we are even born? There are properties in the amniotic fluid that provide information for us from the very beginning. Becoming familiar with food flavors begins before birth and continues through the breast milk and throughout life. What's even more interesting is that many anthropologists believe that the flavors of the culture are conveyed to the child through the mother's milk. This process acculturates us to the taste of our native foods and supports our genes, each of us in our own unique way. Stay tuned for more bites from Studio B as we'll talk about everything before birth and beyond, because it's not just about being on a diet, it's a lifestyle.